Hey y'all, welcome back. This is Kina with SweetGemLife. Today I'm going to be unboxing the July 2020 VillaBeauTIFFul kit titled Plant Mama. Yes, Plant Mama. Y'all, I'm a little rusty. I know y'all been missing me. Y'all been in my inbox harassing me about filming. I needed some self-care time. So if you're interested in seeing what's in this kit, stay tuned. Okay, so here is the kit envelope, and I've got some extras over here that I'm just gonna stick to the side real quick. Y'all, I'm loving this green. Loving it. Here for this. So let's go ahead and get this thing open. And let's find the card. Boom. Plant Mama. Stick this stuff over here. Okay, so if you are new here, I do typically unbox kits and subscription boxes in the order of how it's listed here on the menu card. So I'm just going to stick this up here and then go ahead and go through this kit. Now, first things first, we have the vellum die cut stickers. If you guys have been watching the last few VillaBeauTIFFul unboxings, you've been seeing these. I think this is the second, possibly third time we've gotten the die cut stickers. So these are definitely a different texture than the last one. And let me back up. This month's kit is a collaboration with Papershire Stationery. VillaBeauTIFFul did do another collab with Papershire. I believe that was the coffee kit back in October, November sometime. So these are the vellum die cut stickers. The next item on the list is the washi. So let's get this opened up so that we can go ahead and roll it out so you can see it. Okay, so we have the 15mm washi, which has the rose gold, and we have all of the plants here. And then we have the 7.5, which is probably one of my favorite VillaBeauTIFFul washi tapes, with the leaves and the rose gold. Y'all, that is so pretty. Y'all know I rarely buy extras. I'll probably get an extra of this 7.5. So this is the washi in this month's kit. The next item up, the sticker book. Y'all, the green is giving me absolute life. So this is a 9-page sticker book. It always shows the month that the sticker book came in which kit and the name of that kit, and then we get a mini deco sheet. This is on the newer sticker paper. You guys, this paper is so smooth and so vibrant. So that's our mini deco sheet. Let's flip through this. We have our full boxes here for the rose gold, y'all. We've got our icons. We've got some pay bill stickers. Tiffany, if you're watching, can we get some more pay bill stickers? We've got a flag. We've got some more circle icons down here. Some full boxes, some clipboards, a 3/4 boxes down here. We have our sheet of different shaped half boxes. We have our headers. We have our double headers and some scalloped boxes here. We have our large deco. So pretty. I've always loved the overhead. We have our checklist and some more flags. So pretty, y'all. Oh my God. We've got our date covers, arrows, and our 2 tabs here. We've got our double boxes, and we've got our hexagons. So this is the 9-page sticker book and our mini deco sheet. Sticker book for the month. The next item up is a new item. I've not seen this in a VillaBeauTIFFul kit yet. And this is the acrylic washi card set of 3. So from what I understand, some people are using these to wrap washi around, hang it from their planner. If you've got rings or discs with holes in them. I have seen some people using this to cut washi. But it is called the Washi Card set. So we have our plants. We have our plant mama, or this might be plant. Shut up. Okay, and then we have, I don't know what that says in that planner. Bloom where you are planted. See? See? How you gonna read it backwards, ma'am? Get your life together. So, these are the, come on, cooperate, acrylic washi cards, and it comes in a set of 3. The next item up are the Dangle paper clips. Y'all know I love my VB paper clips, okay? They are typically a staple in my planners because they are always serving, okay? No matter the season or situation. So this first one, we have one that's acrylic. It looks like half acrylic, half paint, half wood. Excuse me, can't even get our words right. Words are hard. And then we have some charms here. And then the second one has a charm that says Plant Mama on a shopping bag with some florals. And then we've just got this wood piece here. So these are our Dangle paper clips. The next item up are the transparent stickers and cards set. Y'all, I'm here for the greens. Period, period, period. Every day, all day. So let's go through this. Let's start with our stickers. We have the transparent bar stickers. We've got our shape stickers 1, shape stickers 2, transparent icons, transparent corner stickers, transparent open shapes, and then we have word stickers. So, boom, boom. Those are our stickers. And then we can go into our transparent cards. We have Plant Kindness, Keep Going, Keep Growing. I like that. Then we have our hanging plants here. And we have our planning overlay. Looks like somebody's about to get busy, okay? So these are the transparent stickers and cards in this month's kit. Okay, y'all, we did miss an item, so we're out of order. This is the transparent page flag set. We typically are getting these every month in the different colors that obviously match the box. So we have this cream nudie color. It's got a tinge of pink in there. We've got this olive, we've got this brown, this deep green, and then we've got an olive green. Not really olive. It's more of a leafy green. So here is the transparent page flag set. The next item up, y'all, we got 2 pens this month. Really? So this is Plant Mama. And it is, if we can get it open, it is a dark green with rose gold hardware, and it says leaf sequins are randomly scattered inside the crystal chamber, which can cause some clumping of sequins in random placement. Things tend to move. It happens. But y'all, this matte green is so pretty, especially that rose gold. Super, super pretty. So this is Plant Mama. And then we have Plant Daddy. So cute. I loved how she did the play on words there. So this one is a medium green with rose gold, with gunmetal hardware, and it has leaf sequins as well that are scattered inside, but just the sequins are a different color than Plant Mama, as you can see. And again, we have the gunmetal hardware instead of the rose gold, and the green is definitely a different shade. Super pretty. Love both pens. They are both super cute. So this month's pens is Plant Mama and Plant Daddy. The next item is the Adhesive Pocket Set. So we've got 3 different sizes of adhesive pockets this month. It's been a while since we've seen adhesive pockets, or is it just me? So we've got this size, And I want to pull open the pocket so you guys can see what you're working with. And it has this deep, rich green. That is the shade of green that I love. And then we have this medium size that has our shelf with our plants on it. And then we have the smallest size. And we have this stick with our hanging plants. So these are the this is the Adhesive Pocket Set. The next item up is this Papershire Bunny Pen Pouch. So you guys have been going nuts over this. Not necessarily my thing. I don't really like the characters, but I can see why you guys love the design. It is meant to stand up, so if you see the bottom, you'll see it has a hard or structured bottom. And is it expanding? Oh, something's happening here. What is happening here? Is that a pocket? No. Okay, so it does kind of expand. It gets a little bit taller. Okay. And do we have pockets in there? There are some pockets down in there. So let me see if I can get you guys in closer, possibly. Let's see. We've got some strange things happening over here. Oh, look at that. So, we have some pockets in here. So you just stick your pens and your different accessories back here. And we have the silver hardware. So this is the Papershire Bunny Pen Pouch. Last but not least, if you order the paper pack with your kit, it is a separate purchase. Let me not say separate purchase. So you have the option to get the basic kit that includes everything that you've seen before this, and then you have the option to upgrade and purchase the paper pack. And the paper pack comes with 4 card stock sheets that are double-sided, and you get 2 vellum sheets. So here is sheet 1. Oh, pretty. Oh, clearly I'm loving the plant pages. Super pretty. So those are the 4 cardstock pages, and then you have the 2 sheets of vellum. Obviously, vellum cannot be double-sided. That's not how this works. And that's the last sheet of vellum. Alright, y'all, so this is the July 2021 VillaBeauTIFFul kit titled Plant Mama. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on the notifications bell so you're aware of when I post videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.